Start.
Good evening, everyone. Let me know the value of the youth. The country, India, the youngest country in the world, the country whose 50% of the population is under the age of 25 years. According to the World Economic Forum, India will be the biggest workforce producing country in 2027. India will be the world's one of the top 5 market in the world in 2007. India will be the $6 trillion economy in 2027. But guys, still there is a question is arises. Can India make world leader? Who will make India the world leader? People says that the developing country wants to be a developed country, then the role of their youth is very important. I want to ask you a simple question, guys. Can I ask?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Will you make India world leader?
Yes.
Last benchers, will you make India world leader?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because last benchers have the power to control the whole class.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, we have the responsibility to make our India, we should be the world leader. Guys, I have some points to overcome the problem of the youth. I will share some problem of the youth. So guys, when we go anywhere, we find that some people says, what are you doing? What is going on? Let me tell you how to handle our things. So my dear friends, there is a question is arises. How can our youth will make India developed? There is a question in your mind. How can we develop our nation? So my dear friends, there is a way in which you can make India develop. You can again make India golden bird, means sone ki chidiya. So my dear friends, you guys must be thinking that I am telling lie. But trust me guys, at the end of this presentation, I will prove you that you are the future of the India. So my dear friends, let's start this presentation with some beautiful lines. Good morning, good evening, respected director sir, faculty members and all my dear classmates. Welcome you all on this gorgeous occasion. Hi, my name is SAGAR. At present, I am learning English at American Institute Indrapuri. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Director Sir for giving me this golden opportunity to stand on the podium and express my views in front of you. And I also thank you people for being here. Today, I am very delighted to share my thoughts over the topic, the youth of the India is the future of the India. My dear friends, the youth who is the future of the India, the youth whose action will decide whether India will be the world leader or not. But after seeing the current situation of the youth, you guys, do you still believe that our youth is capable to make India the world leader? No. Our education system has made them so busy to mugging up the old concepts and scoring the marks. If we continue with this system, we cannot compete with the other countries. We have to work on our education system. We have to train our youth to their highly bright future. I have some points for overcome the problem of the youth and one step move ahead toward the future of the India. And my first point is focus on our education system. Guys, do you know how much percentage of the GDP is India spent on our education system?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Guys, India is spent only 3% of the GDP spent on education system.
Very bad.
You will be shocked when you listen. The India's election is the world's most expensive election. It is not saying me. It is the Bloomberg's reports. Okay. So, can you imagine how much amount is this?
No, sir.
It is more than 50,000 crore we have invested on elections, and we are invest on our education system only 3% of the GDP. So we have to spend more money on our education systems. I think there are lots of students who are doing engineering here.
Yeah, sir. We are engineer.
Yeah.
Engineers!
Yes, sir.
Guys, I wanna inform you, there are 23 IITs in our country. Do you know, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the newest IIT is established in 2012 and it is a PHU. You know that. Okay. And we are here in 2022. But 10 years has been completed. Okay. 10 years. But there is no new IIT established in India. Okay. We have to focus on our education system. We have to create some knowledge for our education system. And guys, there are more than 10 lakh students who are applying for the IIT exam, but only 10,000 seats in IITs. What about 9,90,000 students? There are big number. There are the big number, guys. They nothing but our youth. We have to work for that. Government should increase the number of the IITs, create the new colleges like IIT, NIT, and etc. Guys, we have to train our youth for that. And my another point is that focus value of the time. We have to today's time has been changed. All human works are done by the machines. Humans are busy to make cities on Mars and moons.
Wow.
Google knows more about you than yourself. Today we need a technologically skilled youth to compete with other countries. We have to change our mentality. We have to focus on our education system. If we continue with the current education system, we will be the only able to become a worker for a foreigner company, or we will be able to become only a consumer market for the other multinational company. We have to change our mentality. We have to focus on our education system. The problem of the youth is not that he is frustrated from the fear. No. He is frustrated from the overthinking. They have a lot of pressure of their family, their parents, or society. They have to handle all of them. So I have some solution for that. We have to do yoga, we have to do meditation, and we have to boost our inner power and make them our country world leader and do the work for the nation. Let's come to the another point, and it is a lot last but not the least, is contribution of the youth in the progress of the nation. My dear friends, the role of the youth is very important to build our nation. My dear friends, our youth is contributing their work in various things, like in the field of technology, in the field of defense sector, in the field of healthcare. So if we talk about the defense sector, our youth are creating history. The Indian soldiers are creating history. Recently, India has launched Agni 5 missiles. Do you know?
Yes, sir, we know.
Yeah, and guys, its range is more than 5,500 kilometers. But it is not actual range. Its actual range is more than 5,500 kilometers. China claims that India invented Agni 5 missile range is more than 8,000 kilometers. This is the new India, guys. We don't have to say our power. Our enemy can know our power. How is the India current situation? So, my dear friend, if we talk about the technology, there is also Indians are creating history. Our India is produce more software for the whole world. Our India is the Bangalore city in India is the IT hub of the software industries, and our MPs in the race, and our Indore is mini IT hub. Guys, the Indians have lot of skill, lot of knowledge. They have lot of knowledge. I give you an example. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is considered as a knowledge of the symbol in the world, not only India, in the world. He has done 32 degrees and 9 languages. That's the power of the Indian youth. That is the India. So guys, let me end this presentation with some beautiful lines. कि हमको हरा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, कि हमको कोई हरा सके, ये जमाने में दम नहीं, जमाना हमसे खुद है, हम जमाने से नहीं। Thank you so much for listening very patiently and politely. Thank you so much.